So first, I get the mat here and go and Manda, go and dig. Just tear the bugs. I have no ladder bugs, but I don't know. What I put it? Well, I'm going to get one scissor on tear it. Triangle, no dumpling.
So,
Come down.
as you can see.
Alright, so this is the curtain to match with the spread. And this is how the curtain look. I kind of want brown theme. May I go for dark brown and brown. So 4 of them because I have, you know, so 2 of them each side. And 2 I'm going to use them now, so I just say show now. The mirror, kitchen towel. We use wall pot so that you know, but yeah, everything come. We show them everything.
You know, the famous diamond brand.
Yeah, and 2 bulb.
Original.
To go in a no series where I'm buy 2 bulb. Wait, leave the good for last, man. That come. Why not this? Let the good for last. Mira, Mira, say hi.
Here I go again.
Hi. Yeah, hi.
Cream.
Yeah, them here for go on the dresser. You know the famous run of them. It's answer a brown theme, so this and this. This and this. Yeah. This and this for match. Cause me have a dresser, me have a bedroom set, so me need 2 pair. And these lampshade. Me get the maroon or this. Yeah, maroon red. Them here. People always take off them here, but me always keep it. I keep it clean. And this is the reason why I get the bulb, cause I get 2 bedside table. Yes, so I get 2 of them. 1 for my side and 1 for Andre's side. And this we put in my closet because my closet floor for my closet kind of different. You know, really have like shelf and stuff. I kind of want a small closet, so I buy this eye color to put Marissa shoes them on it and stuff. This you see bathroom mat now. So my cousin go make it up because Andre gone both in business. I joke in a gone and gone shave. And my bathroom floor mat brown same way. Watch him. The knock too. The mirror she the knock. And this stuff we put toilet paper. Brown as well. Brown with gold. And this, I not really white, I like creamish, but it kinda look darkish, no, light brown in a real life. So me get this from bathroom. They did have a lot of color. Let me choose this one. I know we have to save the best for last. My spread. Put him over there, kill vibe there. Try front. Yes. 1 7 piece, darkish brown and light brown. Yes, man, that is 7 piece polyester. It's nice, Martella. Oh my god.
And the good thing, chops, I find the curtain because I exact match.
You see them arm, I'm gonna show you. Like, see? This pattern there. See it around here, so see it there. Same pattern. So it look like, you understand, it's the perfect look match. So I'm not gonna put on the spread now, but I'm gonna put up the curtain. Them I'm gonna go fix up the lamp, and I'm gonna give my cousin them this to fix it up for me. I hope they don't last a screw. Where's my fish show? Oh yeah, I have only thing as my fish show like what I'm gonna use for make Christmas cake. I'm gonna go show them that when Andre go bake a Christmas cake. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and happy holidays because most people don't celebrate Christmas. So happy holidays.